are pleased to show you the 2019 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, bucket seats, trip computer, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows, security system. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.